Ki Uta, Te Anau School, ko Lily toku ingoa. My name is Lily. It's Rāhina.
And ko Harriet ahau. I'm Harriet. Welcome to the morning report for Monday the 27th of July.
Let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is pūharu, which is te reo for best.
As in te kura pūharu, meaning the best school.
You know it.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Health and safety news. Please walk around corners with care, especially around the junior block. Ki Uta.
Okay, lunchtime activities. Today, straight after eating, years 0 to 4, you have arts and crafts in room 9.
For years 3 to 6, there's team challenges in Ki Uta, the new hall. Nice.
And netball drills in school for years 4 to 6 on the Netball Courts Right on.
Sports shed and bikes will be going as usual too.
And speaking of bikes, park them in the bike stands, please.
Okay, duty teacher info. For all you busy bees out there, today's duty teachers at morning tea are Mrs. Albert and Mrs. Humphreys.
And at lunchtime, there's Mrs. Taylor, Mrs. Russell, Mrs. McGlade, Mrs. Hardy, Mr. 100, and Mrs. Hanson.
Remember, anything you need help with out there,
go see your duty teacher. They're here to help.
Uniform news. Socks only for indoors and in shoes. When outside, bare feet or shoes, thank you.
And found property. A vest for Willa McPherson Martin and fleeces for Stuart, Isaac and O'Brien.
Birthday news. None today at Te Anau School, but if you are a once were Warriors fan, Cliff Curtis turns 57 today.
Happy birthday, Uncle Billy. Have a great day.
And if you missed any info, check the notes out in the description box below. I'm out. Harriet. Goodbye.
Ka kitea pōpō. See you tomorrow. Piki aka ki te tangata.